Namaste, good morning to you all FM listeners and viewers. It's me Santosh Kumar Thakur from Nepal Police School, and now you are listening or watching a radio educational program on Radio Madesh Masla 106.4 MHz. Okay. It's me now. We are going to. I'm going to taking class 2. As we know, we discussed many more things about the number systems. So today, I'm going to, or we are going to discuss on different questions. Okay, that sometimes given in exam or the exercise book too. So our first question is like this. On last Sunday, Sunday, that we discussed about different number names and the number which comes before, after, and between. We discussed many more about such things. Okay, today we have the questions on them. So the first question is here. Sometimes your question will be like this. Okay, write the numerals. Okay, suppose for this type of question, suppose there will be given some questions as or some number names. Okay, like this. Okay, suppose in the first question, suppose there is given N I N E. Yes, as pronounced. We pronounce it 9. Okay, the spelling that is N-I-N-E. Okay, so pronounce it. What will you pronounce, or what do you pronounce it? That should be written as a numerals. Okay, the number that is equivalent their names, that is known by their numerals. In the same way, sometimes there will be given, suppose 42, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, and T-W-O-2, yes, F-O-R-T-Y, T-W-O-2. In these conditions, suppose, the first letter is, as we know, the number names from 1 to 100, yes. So first let's talk about the number names. Okay, as we know, O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, yes. In the same way, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, okay, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, and T-E-N, yes, 10. Then after, the new thing that is 11, 12, 1 to 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, 1 3 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 1 4 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 1 5 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 1 6 16. Then after S-E-V-E-N 7 and T-E-E-N 17, 1 7 17, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, 1 8 18, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-E-N 10, it's 19, 1 9 19. Then after T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Then after we should add from 1 to 9 letters with 20 like this, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 and O-N-E 1, 20 to 1 21. In this way, T-W-E-N-T-Y T-W-O 2 to 22, yes. In this way, we write with 20 from 1 to 9. Then after 30 comes T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Then after Okay, yeah. In the same way, we add again 1 to 9 with 30, like this. THIRTY 30 and ONE 1. Okay, it becomes 31, 31. Then after again THIRTY 30 and TWO 2 30 to 32 32. In the same way, okay, THIRTY and THRE 30 33 33. In the same way, we add we write from 1 to 9, okay, with the 10 digits numbers, okay, like this here. Then after 39 we got FORTY 40. Then after, okay, FIFTY 50. Then after SIXTEN 60. Sorry, SIXTY. Sorry. TY 60, SEVENTY 70. Okay, then after EIGSTY 80 NINETY 90. Then after HUNDRED, okay, what? 100. HUNDRED 100. Then after again our numbers should be repeating, okay, from 100 or after 100, like this. Okay, again we will write like this. So when we join 100 and with the previous numbers, we will write like this. Suppose 100, yeah, HUNDRED 100 1. It means, yeah, 101. Yes. Then after 100, okay, 2, TWO 2, it means 102. In the same way, we will write the number, okay, or number names, okay, of the given numerals. So in the question number B, there is given, okay, FORTY 40, TWO 2. So as we know, 40 means 40, yes, and TWO2 means 2, okay, which is combining with 40. Yeah, 2 is combining with 40. When we add it, then we will get 4 to 42. And according to the number name, okay, FORTY 40, and when we write 2, okay, it becomes 42. So 4 and 2, okay, called by 42. Okay, in the same way, suppose you have given, yeah, 100, yes, 100, okay, 5, yes, 105. So in the same way here, as we have I have written written you that, and I have told you that, okay, when we add any number with 100, okay, suppose that 100 means 100, that means 100 and 105, yes, yeah, 5 VE. In the same way, okay, that we have written previously, that is 100 means 100 and 2, 5, it means 100 plus 5. Then after adding, we will get 105. Like we will add like this. Suppose 105, okay, then 0 and 5, then after 0 and 1, it means what? 105. So our name numeral for 105 is 105. That means 105. In the same way, suppose take other example. Suppose, okay, 300, okay, 49. Okay, how many digits are there? The number which is given, okay, is the up to 100 digits. It has 3 digits, where 3 is at 100th place, 4 is at 10th place, and 9 is at 1st place. In the same way, yeah, what? Okay, first we have to write 300, or we will write 300. In 300 we should add 40. Then after what? 9. After adding these all, 0, 0 and 9. It is 9. Okay. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 and 3 is 3. It means what? 349 is the digit or numeral for 349. 349 is the numeral for 349. Very good. Then after, suppose your other question will be like this. Okay. Let's go for other questions. Okay. Your second number question will be like this. Suppose. Okay, in question number 2, sometimes your question will be like this. Write the number names. Write the number names. Yes, of the following numerals. So for this we have suppose given, sometimes we have given, okay, 3, 7. Yes, what? 3, 7. Yes. So 3 in 3, 7, it means what? 3, 7, 37. It means what? 30 plus 7. So we will write like this. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, and then after what is given? 7. So 3-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, and S-E-V-E-N, 37. In the same way, suppose in question number B, there will be given, suppose, okay, 54. That means 5 for 54. Yes. Then for 54 we have also 2 digits. Yes. So then we will write like this. 50 plus 4 becomes 54. Yeah. When we add 50 and 4, okay, then it becomes 54. So on that time, again we should first write the spelling or name of 50. That means F-I-F-T-Y, 50, and then after what is given? 4. So F-O-U-R is 54. Yes. Then after, again, okay, let's take the 3 digit numbers. Okay, suppose in C number, suppose you have given, okay, 4, 9, 5. Yes. What is the digits? 4, 9, 5. It means 495. So let's distribute the number in different ways. Suppose write the number in expanded form like this. Suppose there is given 495. So it means what? How many hundreds are there? 400. Yes. And how many tens are there? 9 10. It means 90, 400, 400 plus 90, 90 plus, then after there is given 5. Yes. Then again we should write its name separately. 400. Yes. F-O-U-R 4. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 400. Yes. Then after what is given? 90, 90. Then after 90, N-I-N-T-Y 90. Yes. Then after the last there is given 5. 95. Yes. So the number name becomes 495. In this way we can write different number names from the given numerals or numbers. Yes. So don't be confused. Okay. Suppose let's other example, other questions. Okay. Sometimes your question be also like this. Write the numerals. Yes. Write the numerals. R-I-T. Write the numerals. Yes. Write the numerals. And suppose you have given a question first. Okay. Any three numbers before, okay, 5. So as we discussed about this type of questions, okay, in our previous classes. Yes. So in our previous classes we had already discussed about the number which comes before, after and between. Yes. So here this number, this question is asking or questioning us that, or giving answer any 3 as a number which is any 3 after 5, before 5. So as we know, the number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, similarly in this way, suppose, okay, just think about it, what the numbers comes before of 5. Okay, so there we can find before 5 it will become 4, okay, 3, okay, 2, in the same way 1, then after 0. Yes, so these numbers are come before, yes, 5. Yes, so from these numbers we should write any 3 numbers, okay, which comes after 5. So in this for the question of this number, for the answer of these questions we can write, okay, any 3 number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because these numbers comes before 5. So we can write any 3 numbers. Suppose I will write 1, okay, 2 and 3. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. Yes, sometimes, okay, we will write like this: 0, 1, 2. Yes, 0, 1 and 2. Yes, sometimes we will write, suppose 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, sometimes 2, 3 and 4. So we should take any 3 digits from the given 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These all numbers come just comes before 5. But if it, okay, if in the same way, if the question will be given you like this: any 3 numbers, yes, after okay 6. So after 6, what numbers will become? Okay, so let's talk about after 6. So as you know that after 6 we will read 7, 8, 9, 10, many more numbers. Yes, again we should write any 3 numbers from them. So for the answer of the question we can write any, yes, 3 number from 7, 8, 9, 10 or so on. Yes, so you can write any 3 number which comes after 6. So after 6 there will be 7, yes, 8 and 9 or others also. Yes, so let's take about the third question. Your third question will be like this: yes, any 3 numbers, okay, any 3 numbers between, yes, between 80 and 90, 80 and 90. So students, as you know that there are, okay, after between 80 and 90 there are 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, yes, many more numbers. So again we should write any 3 numbers from them. So 81, yes, maybe 82, yes, and 83 are the numbers which comes between 80 and 90, or other numbers too. So now for today we have this much. Okay, we will learn others in our next class, and this is the time for homeworks. So okay, take your pencil, okay, and open your copy and write your homeworks. Okay, so suppose let's your SW, the first question will be like this. Okay, write the numerals. Write the numerals. Yes, so your first question is, okay, 3 THREE HUNDRED 300, yeah, SIXTY 62. Yes, then after question number B, 900 HURENDRED 100, yes, 40 FORTY 40, yes, FIVE 45. Then after question number 2, yes, write the number names. Write the number names. Yes, so there will be a question like this: 369, 369 question number A, and question number B is, yes, 942, 942. So your third number question is write the numerals. Write the numerals. Yes. So in question number A of question number 3, write the numerals. Yes, any 3 numbers. Yes, before yes 6. B number, any 3 numbers. Yes, the numbers after 12. Then after, in question number C, any 3 numbers between okay 100 and 200. Yes. So dear students, listen it carefully. We have the question first number. Write the numerals, and there is the given. There is questions. 2 questions. One is THI 362, other B 945. Then after question number 2, write the number names. In the question number A 369, B number 942. Then after third number question, write the numerals. Then after any 3 numbers before 6. Question number B, any 3 numbers after 12. And question number C, any 3 numbers between 100 and 200. And now this is the time for break. Okay, keep listening. Radio Madras Masla 106.4 megahertz. Okay, and just I will be back after this short break. Thank you.
रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज में अब समय है व्यापारिक विश्राम के। तब तक अपने भी हाथ साबुन पानी से मल के धो के आओ। कोरोना वायरस से अपने भी बचो और दूसरों के बचाओ।
हातमा पन्जा, मुखमा मास्क लगाई चस्मा आँखामा राष्ट्रको सेवा हेतु खड्दछौं हामी सीमा नाका नाकामा। कसै गरी नछुनु हेर आँखा नाक अनि मुख, कोरोनाबाट जोगिन सके आउने छ सबै सुख। आउन सक्छ बाढी र पहिरो, चल्न सक्छ हुरी, खटिदा ड्युटी कायम राखौं सामाजिक दूरी। कर्तव्यको बोधबाट छैन विमुख कुनै पनि पल, चुनौतीको सामना गर्न तत्पर हामी हौं सशस्त्र प्रहरी बल, हामी हौं सशस्त्र प्रहरी बल।
सशस्त्र प्रहरी बल नेपाल नंबर 2 छिन्नमस्ता वाहिनी मुख्यालय महोत्तरी द्वारा जारी संदेश।
The voice of मिठाई रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, good morning to you all again and welcome back after a short break. Okay, now this is a turn of class 3, okay, maths. So let's talk about the course contents. Okay, as we know, we learn about different types of, yes, suppose the angles, corners, and different types of line segments. Yes, so today we have the turn for some exercises, okay, that may become in your exam. Okay, so or also such questions may be given in your, yes, exam or test. So here, suppose first we have the let's take a questions our first question will be like this. Yes. So here compare, okay, these angles. Compare these angles. Yes. Students, suppose you have given some angles, yes, of different shapes and sizes. Yes. From them you should, yes, from them you should, okay, classify, okay, or identify which one is the, okay, greater and which one is the smaller. When the words, okay, compare comes, okay, we just think only one thing. It is the thing, or it is the condition to identifying the smallest or greatest, or smaller or greater. Yes. So in this condition also, sometimes this type of question will be given in your exercise book, or or in your exam too. So the words when compare comes, just think only one thing, that is the comparison between greatest and smallest things. Yes. So suppose you have given one greater angle. Yes. Suppose one greater angle. So you have also draw, yes, listeners. Okay, you should, okay, draw an angle. Okay, okay, which is you should draw two angles. Okay, one is small. Okay, and other is some large than the other. Yes. So we have two angles in this, and from that, yes, from that we should select the wider or narrow angles. Yes, we have the two conditions to identify the greatest or greater and, yes, narrow or a smaller angle from the given. Yes. So wider angle, yes, wider corner or angles we can corner, and narrow corner, yes, from this. Yes. So listen me carefully. Yes, the angle which is wider than, okay, the other angle, or the angle or one angle which is narrow than or other angles, okay, that is the smaller, or which is wider than the other angle, that is, okay, called or that is known by greater angles. So in this way, as we know, we have drawn two angles. Okay, one is wider or another is narrower. So here, so just write the name of, okay, such angles like X, Y, Z, and other by A, B, and C. Yes. Suppose there are given two angles. Okay, one is narrow or other is wide. So the wider angle is, okay, greater by the narrow angle. In the same way, while writing the name of angle, as we learn how to write the name of angle in our previous classes. So here again we need to write the name of angles. So suppose you have given the question like this: dot 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 dot, okay, dot 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 is, yes, greater, dot 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 is greater, okay, than dot 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 dot. So here at the place of at the empty space or the blank space, we should fill the name of angle. Okay. So here, yes, in the name of the first name of the first angle is, suppose as we have written X, Y, Z. So here again we will write the name of angle, and we should give the symbol of angle. Okay. Then after write angle X, Y, and Z. And remind one thing, while writing the name of angles or while giving the vertices of the angles, we should always give the capital letter, or we should always write the capital letters. Yes, while writing an angle or name of angles or giving vertices. In the same way, angle X, Y, Z is greater. That means before is, we should write the name of the wider angle that we have drawn here, X, Y, Z. So I have given here angle X, Y, Z is greater than. Okay, then after we should write the name of the narrow angle. That means a smaller angle, which is angle A, B, and C. So in this way we can find, or we can write the name of a smaller or greater angle. Okay, in this way. Suppose let's take other questions. Okay. Sometimes the question will be like this. Yes. Or your here your blank space should be like this. Dot 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 is a smaller. Okay. Than. Okay. So in this condition, if there is given the smaller, then we should write the name of a smaller angle. That means narrow angle, narrow corner. Yes. So the narrow angle or the smaller angle is angle ABC as we defined. So angle, we should write here the name of ABC. Then after is smaller by which angle? Angle X, Y, Z. Yes, X, Y, and Z. In this way we can do these questions. Yes. Then after let's go for the other questions. Your second question will be like this. Yes. Suppose you have given, okay, draw some angles. Okay, suppose in question number 2, draw some angles. Draw some angles. Okay, using ruler. Yes. Then after, then name the angles. Okay, then name the angles. Then name the angles. Name the angles. Then after, okay, vertices and yes, vertices and arms. Yes. Then after, also compare your angles. Also compare your angles. Yes. So students, according to the questions, again, yes, as we have learned about the using of ruler. Yes. So we use ruler to construct any type of line segment or straight lines. Yes. So here we should use the ruler to construct an angle which is made up of two straight line, as we discussed in our previous classes. So draw any two angles. Okay, let's draw any two angles in your copy. Yes, with me here. Suppose I draw a big angle, okay, or one big angle. Suppose that is named by L, M, N. Okay, I have given the vertices of the angles. Yes. Then after again other angles. My other angles is like this. Okay, which is somewhat narrower than the first one. Suppose that is, okay, P, Q, R. Yes, students. Yes. So then after, okay, we have to give the name of angles, vertices and arms. So as we know, or as you know that how we write the name of angles and vertices. So just remember the thing that you have learned already. So here to write the name of angles. Yes. So angle. Yes. Angle or name of angle. Suppose here name of angle. Yes. So while writing the name of angles, we write angle L, M, N. Yeah, as we learned that. So yes, angle L, M, and N. And then after again we reverse the letters. Yes, our angle N, M, yes, L. We should write the vertices or the meeting point at the middle of the two letters. Then after, okay, while reversing and in the general form. Then after, yes, other name of the angle is, or the name of other angle is also name of angle. Name of angles. Angle equal to, again we have the angle P Q R or angle R Q P. R Q P. We should write the name of angle in capital letter. Then after we have given the name of vertices. Yes. So vertices is the plural form of vertex. So now we are going to write one vertex. So we used to write vertex only. Vertex is equal to what? What is the joining point? That is M. Yes. So M is the vertex in angle L, M, N. In the same way, the vertex of angle PQR is P because Q, because Q is lying at the joining point. Then after we have given the arms. Yes. So students, as we know how the arms is classified or distributed different ways. So the first one is L and M. Yeah, after joining the line LM, okay, and MN, it forms the angle LMN because M is the common point. So the arms is L, M, and M, N. Yes, in the same way in the other, the arms is P, Q, and Q, R. So in this way we can write this the name of angles, vertex, or arms. Yes. Then after we should compare the given angles. Yes. Then after we should compare the given angles. Yes. By their wider space, wider corner, and their narrow corners. So as we discussed about this, which one is the bigger, wider, and which one is the narrow corners. So students, now you can also identify from the given two angles which one is narrow. Remind always one thing: the corner which is wider, that is always greater, and again the corner which is narrow is always smaller. Yes. So for the comparison, we have given two angles. Yes. So angle PQR is the narrow shape in the narrow corner, so that angle PQR is absolutely smaller. In the same way, angle LMN is wider. So on this condition, we can say that what angle LMN is greater. Yes. So in this way, we can write here angle LMN is greater. Than angle. What is the next angle name? Yes, PQR. In the same way, we can write like this also. Yes, angle PQR is smaller. Yes, smaller than angle LMN. Okay, by this way we can draw the angles by using rulers and give their names. Give their vertices and their arms, and also we should compare between them. Yes. Then after, let's go for the other questions or third number questions. So dear listeners and viewers, I will request you to please like our page. Please comment us, please share our page. Thank you. Then after, again we have the third quiz. The third question, our third question will be like this: draw any figure. Yes, using draw any figure. Yes, draw any figure. Using vertical, yes, horizontal, and slanting, yes, line segments by using ruler. So again, students, we have questions to draw different lines. Yes. So as we know, to construct any figure, yes, we need, okay, lines. Even the line is curved or straight. Yes. So if we talk about here, okay, it is the line segment which is always straight, okay, or in the form of a straight. Maybe it may be, okay, in the form of slanting form, vertical form, or horizontal form, but it always in the form of straight way. Yes. So it is asking or questioning us that, or our question is like this: we have to, or we should construct or draw any figure. Yes, even the figure is okay, triangle, okay, a square, okay, rectangle, even. But we should, yes, but we should write the name of, or we should construct the figure, okay, by using these three line segments, okay, or that means we should construct only one figure in which these all line segments come. So as we discussed, okay, in our previous classes, that there is a right angle triangle, yes, in which these three line segments come. Yes. So here, so first of all, suppose I will draw a right angle triangle. Students, you also draw this, okay, or right angle triangle. Yes, in a right angle triangle, okay, the baseline is, yes, the line which is in the form of sleeping form, yes, which is lying on the ground like this. Yes, this is known as what? Horizontal line segments. Yes, and then after the line which is standing erect, that is, yes, vertical line segment, and the raised line is, that means the one third line is which is lying over like a ladder form, okay, that line is, okay, is slanting line, yes, slanting line segments. Okay, as we discussed about this in our previous classes, yes, and I have given you the examples by using right angle triangle. Yes, so in the way we have this right angled, okay, triangle. Yes, triangle. So in the right angle triangle we can find, yes, these three line segments: slanting line segment, vertical line segment, and horizontal line segments. Yes. In the same way, suppose sometimes we have other also, yes, rectangle. Okay, as we discussed this all the things in our previous classes. In rectangle we have two types of lines. Yes, one is the sides are, yes, the sides are what? Vertical line segment. In the same way, the upper and the lower lines are, okay, horizontal line segments. In this way, okay, now this is the time for homeworks. Yes, so now let's write some homeworks. Okay, in question number 1 in your homeworks, you have to again, yes, compare these angles. So students, as your choice, you have to draw any, okay, two angle for question number A. Which one is wider than the other? Okay, and name the first angle by, okay, X, Y, Z, and other by M, N, O. Yes, and right there blank space is greater, yes, than dot 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 dot. In the same way, dot 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 is smaller than dot 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 dot. Yes, in the same way, let's talk about, or let's write the other questions. The second question will be like this: draw some angles. Yes, draw some angles by using ruler. Yes, by using ruler, then name their angles, okay, vertices and arms. Yes, and also compare them. Yes, or your third number question is like this: draw any figure okay, using vertical, horizontal and slanting line segments. Yes, using ruler. Yes, so let's talk about your questions or your homework. So in question number first, there is the question given: compare these angles. So students, as we learned that compare means we should identify which one angle is greater and which one is smaller than the other. So in this condition also you have to write the name of angle, okay, or first of all, then after fill in the first there is given dot 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 is greater than dot dot dot. So okay, so the dot 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 which is given before is or greater is, okay, then if the question where is given greater, so we have to write first greater and then after smaller angles, and where there is given is smaller, then before the is smaller we should write the name of a smaller angle and then greater angle. Yes, then after in question number 2, yes, there is given draw some angles by using ruler, then name their angles, vertices and arms, and also compare them. So as we have done this, learned just now, okay, first of all we should draw some angles, okay, maybe 4, 6, but in pair of angles. Yes, we can't draw only one angles to compare. Yes, so that we should draw 2, 4, 6 like this in the pair or in the even digit, or sorry, in the even number, so that we should draw the angles by using ruler. Then after we should write their angles name, vertices names and arms. Okay, then after writing these all, we should compare them, which one is smaller and which one is greater. Thank you. Then after our third number question is draw any figures using vertical, horizontal and slanting line segments using ruler. As we learned before minutes, in this question we should draw like rectangle, okay, right rectangle, okay, right rectangle, okay, triangle and a square and other figures in which these 3 lines can be used: vertical, horizontal and slanting line segments. Okay, by this much, okay, our class is over for today. Now here we have to discuss about the today's class. Okay, if we discussed here, okay, we have some time left. So if we discuss about the today's class, today we learned, yes, or we discussed about different questions. Okay, we such questions may be come in our exams. Okay, such questions may be given in our book too. Yes, so if you have book, then you can do page number 164, okay, of your book, and if not, okay, then you can use, or you can do the question which is given to you now from the okay, in the medium of media. Okay, then after this is the time to take, okay, this is the last time, or this is time for the class over. Okay, so at last, this is the very dangerous time, okay, because of the coronavirus. Okay, that's why you should, okay, use mask, okay, wash your hands with soap and water, or maybe use sanitizer to make your hands germ free. Okay, at last, I would also thanking you to keep listening Radio Madesh Masla 106.4 megahertz. In the same way, I would like thank to our technical support, okay, to RJ Suraj Narayan Jha, okay, by this much, okay. Thank you and bye bye, namaste.